Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Friends, I am Iftikhar Hussain and you are watching your favorite channel, News, Entertainment and Food. Friends, today I am making beetroot chaat. It's very tasty and good for health. All the ingredients are organic, natural and healthy. Let's start the recipe. Friends, here I have a pan and a steamer. If you have not this kind of steamer, you can use baking stand or any other equipment. Here I am adding half liter of water and I choose very fresh and good quality of beetroot. And first of all, I washed it with water 2 or 3 times to wash it very well, to clean it and to remove the mud from it. Friends, beetroot is good for your skin and hair health. It have antioxidant and potassium, magnesium, vitamin D and E, which is good for your health. First of all, I simmer it for half an hour to cook it very well. Okay, after half an hour, you can see beetroot cooked very well. It's done, and you can check with knife is it cooked or not. But you can see it's very soft and tender. And now I cool it down, and then after some time I peel off. It can easily peel off with hand or you can use the friends knife. If you are still watching my video, please subscribe my channel and like this video. And now I am cutting the beetroot in the smaller pieces and you can see how it very well cooked, and I choose very fresh and good quality of beetroot. Friends, although beetroot itself a root, but if you are choose cheaper or not good quality of beetroot, it's have little roots inside it which have not a good taste, and you cannot cut this quality of beetroot. Okay, now I am adding chopped fresh tomato, some onion and coriander and mint leaf, which have a good flavor. You can see the color of this chaat. Here I am adding pomegranate, my favorite pomegranate. You can add any your favorite fruits like grapes, apples or pineapple. And here I am adding salt, black salt and some white salt and fruit chaat masala. Okay, now I mix it very well. You can see this, the mouth watering beetroot chaat. Here my little kids are waiting and they are hungry and it's good for their health. Please try this recipe and give me feedback. The little kids are like this chaat and they are thumbs up. Okay, please try it. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.